Introducing the 2014 Honda Civic. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this model challenges small car competitors, regardless of price and class. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, and more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.